Observe the following program and find out which outputs out of 1 to 4 will not be expected from the program, which means you are provided with a Python program, and out of these four options, which are the options that are not expected of the program. So execution of a Python program starts at the main function. When you see square bracket, understand that it is a list. How memory is allocated for this list? Memory is allocated like this, and variable a points to this list. In forward indexing, for the first element of the list, the index is 0. For the second element of the list, the index is 1. Now, next line, assignment operator, right hand side assigned to left hand side. So, random.randrange 0, 2 returns a random integer between 0 and 2 minus 1, 0 to 1. So, what are the possible values of this variable? Suppose if the random integer generated here is 0, then it becomes 0 plus 10, 10. Similarly, suppose if the random integer generated here is 1, then it becomes 1 plus 10, 11. So the possible values of variable chance are 10 and 11. For I in range 2, for the range function, if only one argument is given, that is taken as a second argument, and by default the first argument is 0. So this is actually range 0, 2. Range 0, 2 returns all the integers between 0 and 2 minus 1, 0 to 1. I takes the first value in the range, that is I is equal to 0. Random.randrange 0, 2 returns a random integer between 0 and 2 minus 1, 0 to 1. So what are the various possible values of variable n? Again 0 and 1. Now if I substitute n with a 0, what answer will I get? A of 0, that is 9. Now chance, two possibilities are there. So what you need to do is take chance as 10, you find the output of this program. After that, you choose chance as 11 and you calculate the output of this program. So to begin with, let me select chance as 10. So this is A of 0, which is nothing but 9. Chance is taken as 10. So 9 plus 10, 19, and the ending character is star. So you get 19 star. What is the second possible value of n? N is equal to 1. So what is A of 1? That is 6. Now chance is taken as 10. So 6 plus 10, 16 star. When you examine the output options, you can see that there is no option starting with 16 star. You can cancel this. There are many options starting with a 19 star. So you need to continue this forward. Now after executing this, I takes the next integer in the range. So I is equal to 1. Random.randrange 0, 2 returns a random integer between 0 and 2 minus 1, 0 to 1. So what are the various possible values of n? Same as before, 0 and 1. If I substitute n with a 0, A of 0, I get 9. Chance is taken as 10. So 9 plus 10, 19 star. The second iteration answer should be added to the previous iteration answer. Now suppose if n is taken as 1, A of 1, that is 6. Chance is taken as 10. So 6 plus 10, 16. The ending character is star, 16 star. That should be added to the previous iteration answer so that you get all the possibilities. Now when you examine the output option, you can see that there is an option starting with a 1916. So you need to continue this forward. There is no option 1919. So you can cancel this. Now again after this, I takes the next value in the range. No more values are there, which means if chance is taken as 10, the correct answer is 19 star 16 star, which is option number 3. Now let me take the next possible value of variable chance. Chance is equal to 11. Now for I in range 0, 2, range 0, 2 returns all the integers between 0 and 2 minus 1, 0 to 1. Now I takes the first possible integer in the range. So now I is equal to 0. Random.rand range 0, 2 returns a random integer between 0 and 2 minus 1, 0 to 1. So here no change. So the various possible values of n, 0 and 1, no change. If I substitute n with a 0, a of 0, I get 9. This time chance is taken as 11. So 9 plus 11, 20, and the ending character is star. So you get 20 star. Let me substitute the second possible value of n, that is n is equal to 1. And what is a of 1? You can see a of 1 is 6. Chance is taken as 11. So here it becomes 6 plus 11, 17, 17 star. Remember, each and every possibility should be written in a new line. When you examine the output options, you can see that there is no option starting with a 17 star. So you can cancel this. There is an option starting with a 20 star. So you need to continue this forward. Now after this, control will not come here because see the alignment. So this is not part of this for loop. So after executing this, I takes the next integer in the range. So I takes 1. Random.rand range 0, 2, same as before, 0 or 1. So variable n, the possible values are same as before, 0 or 1. If I substitute n with a 0, a of 0, I get 9. This time chance is 11. So 9 plus 11, 20. The ending character star, 20 star. It should be added to the previous iteration answer. If I substitute n with a 1, a of 1, it is 6. Chance is 11. So 6 plus 11, 17 star. That should be added to the previous iteration answer. When you examine the output options, you can see that there is no answer 2020. You can cancel this. There is no answer 2017. You can cancel this. So there is no point in continuing with this, which means when I take chance as 10, I get the correct answer option number 3. So this is the correct answer for this program. But the question is, you can see that the question is, observe the following program and find out which outputs out of 1 to 4 will not be expected from the program. So out of these four options, which are the options that are not expected of this program? We know that the correct answer is option number 3. So options that are not expected of this program, they are option number 1, option number 2, and option number 4. So for this problem, the correct answers are 1, 2, and 4. Now there is a second part of the question. You can see there is a second part of the question. What maximum and minimum value is assigned to the variable chance? So when you go through the program, you can see that for variable chance, the minimum value is 10 and the maximum value is 11.